Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Currently 5 months into my journey. Today I'm just going to be talking about what I've been doing and trying out regarding my journey and also on my hair. As far as my hair is concerned, I've continued washing my hair. I do rose water daily, morning, night. I stay on that one. Do oil my hair, but I switch it up here and there. I try to do rose water with addition of oil added inside my rose water. So with that, I don't put oil in my hair as much. I don't need to put too much oil in my hair because there's already oil inside my rose water. So constantly moistured. As long as I make sure I have scarf or bonnet in my hair throughout the day, or at least a scarf during the day, and I sleep with my bonnet, and I make sure I have a silk pillowcase or at least a scarf in bonnet if I don't have a silk pillowcase. If I do decide to put oil or any type of grease in my hair, I do it twice a month or somewhere around that time frame. But outside of that, no, I don't do that many grease add. Now, the type of grease or oil I add in my hair, I do use the Blue Magic grease. I do that maybe twice a month in my hair, and I do a lot of vitamin E in my hair. And I use thank God I'm natural. Do also African Pride. There's an oil I also use in the miel. I use that also. Those I use like maybe twice a month. Always make sure not to sleep with my hair wet, of course, with the exception of most recently when I wash my hair. The last time I retwisted my hair was April 24th. And then recently I retwisted my hair again on June 22nd. So altogether, I've been doing 2 months or 8 weeks where I don't retwist my hair. And I'm going to continue doing that up until my 1 year, since it's working for me. And it's going to basically give me thicker locks, and which is what I actually want. And my locks is healthier that way because I'm touching it less. I'm doing less maintenance, and which is what I want because I'm getting less headaches, less touching it, and that's good for me. And that's really what I want. I don't want to have to bothering my head or doing stuff to it that much. I'll let you guys know what's going on from that point on. So thank you for watching. If you guys like content like this, please share it and like it. And let me know in the comments if you guys want more of these. And please go back and watch my other video if you don't, and why I started LOC journey. Don't forget to go and watch that one. Okay, bye.